What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just wanted to show what's inside a regular refrigerator. Don't know why I thought you might want to see it, but here I go, sharing what I got in my fridge. I just got some bread up there to start. The Pepperidge Farm Bakery Classics hoagie bread, and I use that for like sandwiches. We also have the Sara Lee sandwich bread, white. Bought that one because I had a coupon for $1 off. I don't like it though. And then there's Ballpark hot dog buns. I love Ballpark, so no matter what kind of hot dogs or Polishes we having, we're gonna have Ballpark. And that's where I'm from, Chicago. Yes, God. All right, so this is my refrigerator tour for whatever reason, I don't know. But this is my refrigerator. I'll be making some changes at some point, but this is what works for me right now. Up here, we just have the butter, and there's my backup butter for when those two run out. I like the Land O'Lakes. So this time I decided to do the light butter with canola oil. I always have some spray cheese, water, cream cheese for something I'm making for dinner, some pasta, cheese and shells, ricotta cheese for that same meal. I have a minced garlic that I get from Dollar Store, Parmesan cheese, sour cream, my whipping cream. Is salsa, which is just the paste salsa, and some French onion dip. Now in the back is like a cut up onion and some coffee creamers. Down here we have mayonnaise, and I like mayonnaise for like tuna salad, chicken salad, deviled eggs, things like that. Mustard, sweet relish, ranch. I don't know why, but I like the wishbone. It's probably the bottle. I don't know. I like that one. Grape jam, Heinz 57 sauce, the A1 sauce, some more water, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and this the honey barbecue. That's like my favorite. And ketchup, I don't have a favorite, but we have that one. The buffalo wing sauce, oh my God, to die for. Get you some. I got this little Kroger brand Italian dressing because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I used it for spaghetti salad since it's hot outside here in Arizona, about 115 degrees, so I do a lot of salads. Slim Fast, we have some Pepsi down there, and then orange juice for breakfast, milk, and Kool-Aid. All the refrigerator tours I've seen, nobody got Kool-Aid, baby. Got that grape. There's my cheese sticks. This is my cheese drawer, which is Kraft singles, the pepper jack cheese, and I have a lot of shredded cheese in there for different things. Have my eggs. This little tray I keep Jell-O and applesauce, shredded lettuce, some more mayo. Sent someone to the store and they got that one, so I'll be using that one for tuna salad as well. Back here I have the living butter lettuce. I use that for like tacos and for my tuna, because I don't try not to use the crackers or bread, and so that cuts down on it. I can just wrap it up and make it a nice little wrap. Some spinach. This usually houses a full thing of water. Needs to be refilled. I only like spring water because purified water tastes like lead to me. So spring water. I always do the apple slices because it's just easier for me to go in and get me a couple of slices. We have watermelon, strawberries, and kiwi. This drawer is my little personal snack drawer, so I usually put down here my carrots, pepperoni slices, anything that I want to keep for myself. I put down there to remind myself to only go in that drawer. And this is my meat drawer. Smoked white turkey, my favorite. We have the Hillshire Farm beef smoked sausage. This one I think is hot links. And then we have the beef smoked sausage and the chicken hardwood smoked sausage. That was the first time I've seen it, so I figured I'd try that with like some potatoes. Now for the freezer part, I don't know how to show you, but this is my freezer. And pretty much I have bagged the ice because my freezer maker is broken. I'm waiting on them to come out and fix it. I have some pizza rolls, some shrimp, some french fries. These are little cubes for ice when I make my drinks. Broccoli, that looks like that might be, that's a stir fry mix. And then the wingettes, chicken wingettes, sliced strawberries for smoothies, tilapia. That is chicken breast, and I am not sure what those two are. Looks like ribs. So those two are ribs that I throw in a crock pot. This is probably steak thin. This is more shrimp and meatballs. On the door, I have corn, ice cream sandwiches. One of them is just the chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla, and the other one is chocolate, strawberry, and banana. These little beef and bean burritos that my son eats. Ground chicken. No, that is not chicken. Girl, read turkey, ground turkey. And some breakfast sausage because we have breakfast every morning. And then I put all my fruits over here and vegetables. Well, not fruits, but just the vegetables. So I have squash here. I have green peppers, cucumbers. Where is this one? Shallots for something I'm getting ready to fix today. We have some more peppers. This is an onion, lemon, limes for the drink I mentioned, some tomatoes for salads, another cucumber, two more, a squash and a zucchini. Need to put that for dinner since it was at the bottom, and another onion. And these are the about this chicken breast, canned chicken breast, when I'm making my pasta shells. So that is all for my refrigerator tour. Don't know why I felt like doing it, but hey, that's what it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And ta-ta for now for the craziness of me showing an empty refrigerator. Okay? Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ta-ta for now.